Hey guys, we've got this new product from Handshow. It's supposed to be a quick sliding, temporary yet kind of permanent solution to having a sunshade on the front windshield. You're supposed to just stick these onto the windshield there, and it's kind of like you just pull this and then it brings the shade out. Kind of cool. So let's see how it fits in here. Put it on. Got that one connected on that side. And for this, just try my best to kind of line it up here. Alright, so we've got that kind of installed. Now I know it's blocking a little bit of the view, but this is not something I'm going to be using kind of on a daily. More of something like if I'm going camping, or if the car's going to be parked for a little bit, I'll just quickly stick these on because they're so easy to install. And then you're going to go ahead and take one of these clips. I'll go ahead and put that on this side right here. So again, you can choose to put these wherever you want. And then this part you can slide and have it go wherever you need, so I'm going to have it on this side. You can go ahead and pull this. It looks like that's too far back. So we're going to actually move it forward. Okay, so I was able to actually get them both aligned up at the same old position, and it did come all the way up here and hooks on right over here. So again, you can see the difference of one side and the other side. So I'll go ahead and reel that one up. Okay, so now we've got it on both sides here. A little bit of a gap over here, but wow, yeah, a lot more shade. This is pretty nice for, again, just having a temporary shade that you can just pull up. It's super easy to store. It's just two long rods here, and yeah, this is very convenient. Just block some sun out again. This is great for if you're camping, you want to blacken out the cabin a bit. Very cool, quick sunshade from Handshow. Thank you, Handshow, for sending this out. If you guys want to catch it, I'll put the description in the link below. And go ahead and use my coupon code. I'll see you guys on the next one.